Good morning students, welcome back to your the math channel. Now in this video I am posting the edition of vectors level 1 Eamcet problems. Okay, and here level 1 problems are like the IPisms, but these are also very important, and in the Eamcet examination paper once you see the bits in the 80 mathematics bits, nearly you get the 30 to 35 bits or the level 1 problems from all the topics. Okay, these are very closely to the IPisms. Okay, let us start the problems. The first question is, let OA bar is equal to 2i plus 4k, OB bar is equal to 5a plus 3 root 3 plus 4k, OC bar is equal to minus 2 root 3 plus minus 2 root 3 j plus k, OD bar is equal to 2i plus k. Okay, so here four vectors are given, which are OA bar, OB bar, OC bar, OD bar. Okay, now what is the given question? Find the value of the CD bar in terms of AB bar. Okay, find the value of the CD bar in terms of AB bar. That is, first here you have to find the CD bar and AB bar vectors. Okay, and then you have to express the value of the CD bar in terms of the AB bar. That's the given question. So first to find the values of the CD bar and AB bar. Okay, now what is CD bar formula? The direct IPE formula, CD bar is equal to OD bar minus OC bar. Okay, this is the direct IPE formula. What is AB bar formula? OB bar minus OA bar. Okay, so what is CD bar? OD bar minus OC bar. This is the formula. Okay, see here. So replace the values. What is OD bar vector? OD bar is equal to 2i plus k. Okay, OD bar is equal to 2i plus k minus what is OC bar? OC bar is equals to minus 2 root 3 j plus k. So minus of, so this is minus of OC bar is equals to minus 2 root 3 j plus k. So apply this minus to these values here, then what you get? Minus of minus plus 2 root 3 j, okay, and plus of minus k. Okay, so this is equals to, now take the simplification. Now here plus k minus k gets cancelled, so the remaining is only 2i plus 2 root 3 j. So this is the value of the CD bar. Okay, now find the AB bar value. What is AB bar? AB bar is equal to formula OB bar minus OA bar. Okay, now first replace the OB bar value. Okay, minus of OA bar. What is OA bar value? Minus of 2i plus 4k. Okay, now apply this minus to these two terms, then what you get? First value minus 2i, next value minus 4j. Okay, apply this minus to the two terms here, minus 2i minus 4j, you get minus 2i minus 4j. Now here, so this is the value of the, take the simplification, plus 4k minus 4k gets cancelled here, so remaining is only 5i minus 2i is equal to 3i. Okay, and j values, here we have only one j value, that is 3 root 3j. So what is the given question here? Express the CD in terms of AB. So to find this answer, first you take the value CD by AB. Okay, express the CD in terms of AB. For that, find the CD by AB, the division of the two vectors. What is CD value you get here? 2i plus 2 root 3j. Simply take the 2 common, then what you get? 2 into I plus root 3j. Okay, so here from the CD take the 2 common, then you get 2 into I plus root 3j. Okay, next, what is CD value? What is AB value? AB is equals to 3i plus 3 root 3j. Here also take the 3 common, 3 into I plus root 3j. Okay, now replace the two values here. 2 into I plus 3 root 3j by 3 into I plus root 3j. Now here cut these two values, I plus root 3j, I plus root 3j. Now what are the remaining values you have here? So finally you get the 2 by 3 into AB bar. Write this AB bar to right side. Then you get CD bar is equal to 2 by 3 into AD bar, which is nothing but the, so see the options here, 2 by 3 into AB bar, that is nothing but the third option. Very easy question. This is very important for both the IPE and the Eamcet level. Okay, so very simple answer. First you have to find the AB bar and CD bar values by taking the formulas. CD bar is equal to OD minus OC and AB bar is equal to OB minus OE, and simply do the division to get the value CD bar in terms of the AB bar. That's all. This is the answer. Okay, see the next problem. The question is, what is the unit vector in the opposite direction of the vector A bar is equals to minus 6i plus 3j minus 2k. Okay, the very important for the IP as well as for the Eamcet level 1 problem, the unit vector of the given vector. You have to find the unit vector of this one in the opposite direction. Simply the formula is here, minus A bar by mod A bar. Okay, the formula is minus A bar by mod A bar. So replace the values. A bar means directly write the given vector. What is mod A bar? Find the magnitude value. How to find the magnitude value? Mod A is equals to, first I component whole square, minus 6 whole square is equal to 36. J component whole square, minus 3 plus 3 whole square is equals to 9. K component whole square, minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. Okay, so add all these values here. That is square root of 36 plus 4, 40 plus 9, 49. So root 49 is equal to 7. So this is the value of the mod A bar. So simply replace the values in the formula. Minus of A bar is equal to minus 6i plus 3j minus 2k. Now apply this minus to all the values. Minus of minus plus here. Next value minus 3j. Next value minus of minus plus here, that is plus 2k by 7. That's all. So the answer is 1 by 7 into 6i minus 3j plus 2k. Okay, the very important for the IP, and sometimes it is you will be given in the Eamcet problems also. This is the level 1 problem. Okay, see the next problem. The unit vector in the direction of 2i plus 3j plus k. Okay, in the direction means in the same direction. In the same direction means you take the formula A bar by mod A bar. Okay, so in this question we don't take the minus in, but when see the last problem, in the opposite directions you have to take the negative sign to the formula. But here in the direction means we consider the same direction. Then you take the formula A bar by mod A bar only, and here also first find the mod A bar value, that is 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 1 square is equals to 1. So finally you get the root 14. So replace the values in the formula. A bar is equals to 2i plus 3j plus 4k by mod A bar is equal to 14. That's all. This is the answer. Very easy question. In the same direction plus symbol, in the opposite direction the negative symbol. Okay, see the next problem. If the vectors 4i minus 7j minus 2k, I plus 5j minus 3k, 3i minus lambda j plus k form the triangle, then what is the lambda value? Okay, see the triangle. Suppose this is the triangle. These are the vertices A, B, C. Okay, here how to take the triangle now? Sum of the two sides is the third side, that is AB bar plus BC bar is equals to CA bar. Okay, this is the formula. Or BC bar plus, suppose I take the vector like, so this is the, I take the triangle like BCA. Then what is the condition? BC bar plus CA bar is equal to AB bar. Okay, like that. That is, sum of the two vectors is the third vector. That is the formula. Okay, so here I take the condition as A bar is equal to B bar plus C bar. So this is the formula in the triangle. If the three vectors form a triangle, then we can apply this formula here. Okay, this is the triangular now. Okay, A bar is equal to B bar plus C bar. Write the A bar vector, replace the A bar vector first. A bar is equals to B bar plus C bar. That is, B bar is equal to this vector, C bar is equal to this vector. Okay, replace the three vectors here. A bar is equal to B bar plus C bar. Now add the values here, like I plus 3i is equals to 4i and 5j minus lambda j. Take the j common, then you get 5 minus lambda. Okay, 5 minus lambda into j, and last value minus 3k plus k is equals to minus 2k. Okay, once compare these two terms here, then what you get? 4i, I terms will be same here. Cut the value. Minus 2k, k terms also same. Cut the number also. Write the remaining. Minus 7j is equal to 5 minus lambda into j. Now do the comparison j components, then you get minus j is equals to 5 minus lambda. Then taking the simplification, you get lambda is equals to 12. 5 plus 7. Okay. Write this minus lambda to this side, minus 7 to this side. 11 is equal, lambda is equal to 5 plus 7. That is equals to 2. So here, if anybody get the doubt that why we are taking the value A bar is equal to B bar plus C bar, we can take B bar is equal to C bar plus A bar also, or C bar is equals to A bar plus B bar, but without taking these two, why we are taking the result like this one only? The reason is, once check the values here, if we take the value like that, then only if these two terms gets cancelled, then directly you will get the j value. Once check this result, once see here, this is the lambda vector. Okay, 4 minus 3 means plus 3i means you get the 4i, which is nothing but the value in this vector. Minus 3k plus k, that is minus 2k, that will be the value in the third vector. For that reason, we are adding these two to get the lambda value. Understand all of you? That is the reason here for taking that the A bar is equal to B bar plus C bar condition in this question. Okay, that's all. Now let's see the next problem. Okay, see here, OABC is a parallelogram, and given that OB bar is equals to A bar, AB bar is equal to B bar, then what is OA bar? Very easy question. So first simply take the formula AB bar formula. What is AB bar formula? OB bar minus OA bar. Now replace the given vectors here, then you will get the answer directly. What is AB bar value? B bar. What is OB bar value? A bar minus OA bar. You have to find this value. Simply take the AB bar formula. That's all. That's all only. From this, take the OA bar value minus OA bar. Right to this side. Plus OA bar is equals to A bar minus B bar. That's all. OA bar is equal to answer A bar minus B bar. Very easy question. Simply take the AB bar value, then directly you get the answer. Okay. Now see the next problem. If AB bar is equals to given, CB bar given, CD bar given, what is AD bar value? Okay. Three vectors are given here. AB bar, CB bar, CD bar. What is AD bar formula? Okay, AB bar is equal, this is also the direct IB model. AD bar is equal to, what is the formula? Here the formula is AB bar plus BC bar plus CD bar. Okay, AB bar plus BC bar plus CD bar. B and B gets cancelled, C and C gets cancelled, you get only AD bar. This is the formula. Now replace the vectors. What is AB bar given? This vector. But BC bar, here BC bar is not given. Given the value of the CD bar, CB bar here. Okay, that is CB bar is equal to this value. Now what is BC bar value? BC bar is equal to minus of this vector. Apply the minus to all these values like minus I, minus J, minus K. Okay, this is the value of the BC bar. What is CD bar? Replace the value. Now simply add all these values. 2I plus 4I. 2I plus 4I. 6I minus I. That is equal to 5I. Okay. Next, minus 3j, minus 3j, minus j, minus 7j, minus 11j, plus k minus k gets cancelled. So the answer is equal to 5y minus 11j. That is nothing but the second option. Understand all of you? Very easy problems, and this is a very scoring topic. So once see the problems, these are all the very important models for the IPE and for the Eamcet. Okay, all of you practice all these questions and write the notes for remember for the purpose of the remember. Okay, and I will continue the remaining sums in the next video, and I will continue the remaining sums level 2 problems of the vectors in the next video. Until then, keep watching. Bye bye.